This is Holiday Core item number 638. The 638 kit allows you to mount your PixLite or PixCon controller from Light-o-Rama onto a mounting board which fits into the ubiquitous CG1500 enclosure. This kit includes the mounting plate, which is fully non-conductive, and it includes a complete assortment of all the appropriate hardware necessary to mount your controller, mount your power supply, and with the appropriate standoffs for all the appropriate items. Now, on here we do have a mounting for the PixLite 4, also not shown, and the PixLite PixCon 16. Now, what we have here is we have our PixCon, our PixLite, and yours may look slightly different depending upon the year and the vendor. And our Ethernet connection comes out over here. It may be vertical also. And our power connectors are on the right-hand side, and that's for good reason because our power supply, which has our terminals on the right-hand side also, is allowing you to get a very short run of cable between these two sections. Now, the kit, which does include all the screws to mount all this, including the power supply. This is a standard power supply, can be purchased with or without the kit. It also works with Meanwell and other brands of power supplies. When this is mounted into the CG1500 or the HC2500, our larger enclosure, there we go. You'll mount all the items to the board, and then you'll put the board in, and you'll see that there are holes around the side marked with X's. That indicates that is a location where we're going to put a screw to hold the mounting plate into the entire unit. Now, that does allow you to easily take the entire unit out if you need to service it as one piece. And so, you can see here, once we have those items mounted, we have plenty of space. We can get our output cables for all of our pixels out through these two holes at the bottom that you would drill, or you can have us drill, and you put cable clamps, which you can purchase, or you can have us include in your kit. This is item number 638.